Hey Shopify merchants! Are you tired of generic shopping experiences that don't engage your customers or boost your sales? What if I told you there's a tool that can transform your online store into an interactive, personalized shopping destination? Today I'm going to share with you why so many Shopify merchants are raving about the Shop Quiz, product recommender app by Revenue Hunt. Let's dive in. Imagine being able to guide each customer to their perfect product, just like a personal shopper would in a brick-and-mortar store. The Shop Quiz, product recommender app makes this possible by allowing you to create interactive quizzes tailored to your customers' needs and preferences. With over 300 glowing reviews and a 4.9 rating, it's clear that this app is making waves in the e-commerce world. So what makes this app stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down. First, it's incredibly effective and user-friendly. Merchants like Axel from Dose Mind Care in France have found that it not only helps clients make the right choice, but also saves them a ton of time. Ana from Rainbow Duga in Croatia echoed this sentiment, calling it very user-friendly, easy to set up, and effective. Second, the customer support is exceptional. Mike from Kakushin in Canada couldn't stop praising the team, saying, "Not only is this an amazing tool, but the staff there is some of the best I've dealt with in a while." Justin from Repliques in the UK even mentioned that he never leaves reviews but felt compelled to because of the outstanding support. Third, seamless integration and customization. The app fits right into your existing Shopify setup and allows extensive customization. Jason from Plant Therapy in the US mentioned, "This app is very easy to get up and running on our site and to get styled to match our store. Very customizable." Fourth, it's a powerful tool for data collection and integration. In today's market, understanding your customer is key. The app helps you collect zero-party data, information that customers willingly provide. This data can be integrated with CRM systems like HubSpot, Klaviyo, and even Facebook Pixel. A user from Mighty Plus Bright in the US shared, "We've captured a lot more leads using this app." Malika from Malika, New York added, "The quiz helps me gather email addresses and performs better than my original sign-up form." Lastly, innovative features like video quizzes. Engaging customers has never been more interactive. Kate from the Earthly Collective in the US was thrilled with this feature, saying, "We've gotten great feedback from our community. They're impressed with the functionality." So, who is this app for? Honestly, any Shopify merchant looking to elevate their customer experience. Whether you're in beauty and skincare, health and wellness, fashion and accessories, home and lifestyle, food and beverage, or even pet supplies, the Shop Quiz app can be tailored to suit your needs. And with a free plan and trial options, it's accessible no matter the size of your business. It's not just about boosting sales, it's about creating an engaging, interactive experience that keeps customers coming back. As Radio Warehouse from Australia put it, "Where has this product been my whole life? It's beautiful." For additional resources and expert advice on growing your Shopify store, be sure to visit revenuehunt.com/blog.